Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if there's a bug when you're submitting plants for the beanstalk growth in Grow a Garden. So if you select feed all my plants to the beanstalk and it's not doing anything, you're going to want to pull out just one plant first and then feed this to the beanstalk, and then you're going to resubmit your other plants that you still have to give, I guess. And it's going to then transfer everything to the beanstalk growth instantly, and you don't have to, which one is it, this one? You don't have to get out of your server and have it at 0 again. That's happened to me once and it was so annoying, if I'm being honest. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That's what you can do if there's a bug. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.